the National Hurricane Center of the Joseph Storm News Statement. The location for South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida, the event of excessive rainfall, and the National Weather Service will also be events of tornadoes severe weather. Attention! The Bermuda is now take a evaluation likely. Umberto will move at north. And major hurricane is category 4 to 5 and hurricane force wind at 155 miles per hour, gust at 210 miles per hour. Lastly, the NARDA will decrease to post-tropical cyclone. Please subscribe to Joseph Storm News, and turn all to notifications. Take action, be careful, and be cautious. Visit https://www.nhc.noaa.gov. There is an also for Tropical Depression 9, and will name soon as possible. Stay tuned.